Hey guys, it's the best Bex, and here we're playing BF4. Right now we're not doing something like different like we do like other games. What? Alright, guys, I have something to say that I can't do these videos, but because I had just broken my, not like broken, but I kind of fractured my arm, so I can't just. I fractured, yeah.
Yes.
So we had to do something different. Like maybe could do it like funny moments with one of my friends. The same one who comes in my videos all the time. His name is Don, and the Beast Max.
Hey, sup, buddy?
And this new guy called Sheldon Live. What up, Sheldon?
Yeah.
What?
Ew.
We're gonna do something different, but not like technically. We're not gonna do this every day. But, you know, guys, hope you like it. Hope you subscribe and like. And enjoy our gameplay. Alright, respawn on me. Let's go. Ooh. Oh my god.
Pokemon freak.
Pokemon freak? What kind of name is this? I'm just kidding, guys. I'm just kidding. Let's put this.
Sure he is, guys. Sure he is.
Sure. Only Pokemon freak is gone. I don't know if I'm the book or not. Oh,
I used to.
Oh, wait, let me join this.
Get to the roof.
Oh my god, there's no. Yeah. Oh my god, there was no driver, I swear. This guy just got a dick in the help. Oh shit. Hold up. I'm gonna crash! Shit! I'm sorry guys. I can't even shoot properly.
Here you are.
Oh, damn, I could've had C4s, I could've done something like that.
Oh no, behind you.
Yeah.
He was at 9 health.
Yo, guys, at the same place. Oh yeah, look, we got the assault gang, guys, look, you guys, come here.
I didn't even know that.
Guys, you want some med kit? Guys want a med kit? Thanks, man. Look how many med kits I have. Have this, guy. Oh shit, wait, hold on. Yo, I didn't even need to. I just told me how to aim at him. Wait.
Let's go wreck the other side. Are you guys?
Yeah, fine. Guys, good shot. Power shot. Oh shit, he's dead. He's dead. I got you.
Watch out, he's coming.
I'm so bad at aiming. Why is he here? I'm just kidding. But still, how the hell did he not kill me? Damn. Guys, I'm not gonna try. I'm not gonna be like a tryhard like myself, because my arms really hurt. Actually, both of my arms. Ah, dead. Yo, he got killed with the A91.
Dang.
Dude, I feel bad for my body.
Use the same gun. Guys, you wanna use
the same gun? Use the H23, guys.
Freaking who done this one, Mo?
That was not me. I have smokes, but I don't just. Hi, lad! Where's my aiming today?
Your arm
Ooh! Yo, I just wrecked everyone here.
They're on the other side now. I'm gonna come to this side.
I got you.
They're
Ooh! I can't believe I'm doing this. Ooh! The guys, trust me. I actually broke my arm. I actually fractured it. I don't know why I'm doing this good. Like my hand is still good. Like I could still use the controller and play with it. The only thing that could bother me is this cast I'm wearing. Yo, I just wrecked everyone. Look at my score, guys. Look at my score.
Damn.
I didn't even know. I just. Oh wait. Oh my god.
Yo,
this dude doesn't know what's behind me.
Yo, Are you sure the game on Valkyrie, like, friends could go on against friends, like a 3-on-3, 2-on-2, 1-on-1, right? I was.
You guys,
Somehow they did.
come in the room, come below. I bet there's gonna be a lot of people.
Where are they? Thought you said there was a lot of people, bro.
I just
You
saw. Oh,
liar.
maybe they went up. Sheldon,
Jessica.
you disappoint. What? Enemy!
Psych. Get
Psych.
your side, bro.
Got your man. Get your man.
Side, man.
Oh damn, bro! Wreck everyone! Sheldon, don't die. Yeah.
baby, I
Sheldon,
got
guys,
you.
revive me. Ah, Sheldon died.
I'm dead.
Oh.
Sheldon. Hurry up, Sheldon.
There was some kid just
die.
walking by and said, "Hey, yeah."
Oh no, they're camping. They're all camping.
Ah, I can't play well. I'm not
There's
gonna be
like
a
3 people
tryhard.
camping.
No, I'm not gonna be a tryhard. My arm's literally gonna break in half. So I'm just gonna chill. There's literally no way to. Yo, come here. Shit! My fault. No! Excuse me. Hiya, this Spania. Frick, this thing's mad low. Yo, the attack chopper is mad savage. He tried to kill us in air when I'm parachuting down. But he's shooting missiles at us. Damn. You guys, I'm pretty glitchy. Every time. FPS is What? What? What?
What?
Dude, I got kicked out. What?
By who? The server owner?
Did you guys get kicked out?
Admin? No.
I give you ammo.
I don't have a med kit.
You freaking savage little dude.
There's a hostile soldier south of your position.
Oh nah, what? I thought you had that.
What? No way. Ah. You guys, I'm just using 2 fingers on my left arm. Just for moving around. And to just pressing L2. Yo, Sheldon, don't. Are we going this way? Yeah, we are. Oh yeah, there's a sniper. There's so many snipers there too. Oh shit, help me guys, help. Oh shit. AOD bot.
Get out of
Oh, no.
combat! Get out of combat!
Bitching.
You freaking
Dude, I was in the wrong gun. Oh well, freak out. Everyone of us would. I forgot. Let's get out of here. I didn't know which gun I was using though.
Let's go the other way.
Oh wait, come here.
What are you doing?
Ah, no guys, I'm the king. Yeah.
Hey, there's me.
Yo, look at our squad right there. Dad.
Oh yeah, buddy.
Hey.
There's a guy on the roof.
Oh. I never used that for a very long time.
MPX?
We now control objective Charlie.
I don't have that freaking gun.
Oh, damn, he knocked him off.
I'm gonna use the SR2.
Oh, shit. Yo, Yasu's outside. He saw me in there.
That's my yo.
Yeah. Yo, this dude.
Oh, that dude. That
You guys just. Ah, shit. Oh, I
Your
hurt
own
myself.
squad
Ah.
betrayed you, bro. Own squad betrayed you.
Okay, defend this objective. We're taking objective Bravo.
Yeah, 10 bros.
Objective Alpha has been lost.
So.
Oh, I messed up.
Throwing grenade!
Yes, I threw it in here. Yes, I'm sorry. Yeah, what? Hit my marker? It's a hit marker? No, 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 that was not a hit marker. Yo, yo, guys. I threw a grenade in a closing elevator. Oh, yeah. His health was 12. His health was 12. Yo, how the hell would he survive the MX-67 frag?
Don't ask me.
What?
Why are you asking me?
Nothing.
A riot shield.
Yo, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna repair to this dude. Oh, yeah, hold up. Damn it! Savage.
Sup, Roger. Guys, watch this.
Whoa! Thanks, man. I needed that. Now they know where you are.
man.
So they'll be going up. Thanks, man. Hope you die. Oh, shit. He knows! He knows!
Oh no, he knows as well. Oh no.
Freak everyone here.
He doesn't know who he's
Ah,
messing
shit.
with, bro. They don't know who they're messing with.
Well, they're messing with someone who has a broken arm, so I guess they're pretty lucky.
Heads up! Have eyes on a hostile vehicle just
They're not lucky just on here, bro, because I wrecked that guy that just killed you. You're welcome.
The guy you sacrificed to?
target this objective.
No, I killed the guy that killed you, guys.
Woo! Uh-huh. You pretty unlucky, bro.
I didn't even know I was coming.
Guys, in the comments, tell what you want us to do next. I'll be doing anything, bro.
Yeah, buddy.
Dude, Don, you're so ugly sometimes. Oh shit, we could have done Michael Myers in BF1. Let's do that.
But Shody doesn't have the F1. Right, Shody?
Sheldon, why don't you, bro? You're my friend.
Didn't like it. Looked bad.
What do you mean you don't like Buffalo One? It's nice. Have you even tried it?
Enemy sniper west of your position.
No.
Objective Echo is out of our control.
Wow, the Claymore is sure gonna stop me.
Where are you?
Oh shit, my health is 1.
I don't see anything. Oh, I know you are. I know. How you down here doing this?
Yo.
I was at 22
You
health
guys.
and he still couldn't get me. I fell with 22 health and he still couldn't kill me. That's sad.
Haha! Repair 2 kill.
On 2. Oh
Ooh.
no. My 2 health. Can someone give me some magic? Sheldon, I
Freaking
need
scared
you
the
right now,
shit
bro.
out of
Can you
me.
spawn on me? Shody, I need you, bro.
We no longer control objective
Yes,
Alpha.
Sheldon here to like save you, bro.
Requesting orders.
Yo, this SR2 is good. What? But the only thing I have on it is laser sight and Cobra.
You guys, let's play tic tac. Oh, someone's coming.
Grenade out.
Yo, oh yeah, I remember took that.
Damn it, friendlies. You know how much kills I would have right there. For Americans! Oh god. Chill. Repair. Yeah! I could have had that kill with my repair tool. Damn it!
I needed that kill, bro.
Guys, guess what gun I'm using?
Which gun?
Objective Echo.
I said guess!
Echo is ours.
MPX.
Oh hell no! My primary gun is my repair tool, dummy. I actually killed so many people with it, no lie. I almost destroyed a tank with this. I just killed one guy. It just destroyed glass. Would guns do that?
Yes. Right here, bro. Look right here.
Look at me, you see what my primary is.
Ah shit!
You know what my primary is, bro? You know what my primary is?
Dog tag?
Oh hell.
It is,
Guess.
bro. I know you. I know your stupid dumb life. Yeah, Mahmood, no lie. No, Mahmood, hold on. Mahmood, don't go there, don't go there, don't go there. There's someone here. Oh, left. He's one here, Mahmood, come here. Yo, noobs be like, you kill a lot, I take cover, I'm healing you up. Alright, that's the corniest joke I ever heard. Oh, Mahmood, behind you.
Oh, really? There's a guy on the other side?
I saw this 9.
I'm 7-3. That looks like 7.
Oh, whose tank am I in?
Is there any enemy teams? Is there an enemy team?
Where you're going. Stay with us.
I need to do that. Spawn on me. How the... Oh.
Dude, this is freaking crazy. My repair tool was gonna destroy 2 the thick armor, 2 to kill the enemy. What the frick is wrong with happening? What the
He's
frick
at
is wrong
29 health.
happening?
Someone destroyed that noob. He's like... Chainman 44. Chained. If you want AIDS, play COD.
Ah, got him. See, my repair tool is my primary weapon. Done. Enemy! Yo, my melee weapon is my MPX.
Freaking noob! I was about. Oh my god! I'm just trying to repair tool now. I don't know why.
Look at my primary.
Let me see, calm yourself. Whoa! Yo, leave, bro! You know how many kills you got with that weapon, bro?
What weapon is that? What weapon is?
Whoa!
What weapon?
You
What
got
is
2
it?
kills with primary Phantom Bow, bro! I freaking love this dude, bro! Oh, no, chill right there. I'm not really gay. Don't, you know you're gay, right?
Okay. Okay, if I'm happy at being. You know gaming's happy if I'm happy.
You say you weren't happy! Sheldon!
Oh.
Tell me where the enemy is.
Tank, I freaking hate
I didn't need
these
to aim.
tanks.
Yo. Dude, my fractured bone. I didn't even need to aim to trying to kill the person who killed Sheldon. I was like, nah, I'll do that later. You know that catchphrase? Shoot now, aim later.
Yeah.
That's like the you guys should do that. It's actually really legit, very legit, so legit.
No, I don't remember what happened last time.
Oh wait, enemy. 2 enemies. Yo, do they have 8s? Yo, these 2 people I just killed have 8s.
Both of the kills and I got kills this and died.
There was an enemy still here too.
Sheldon, how are you 2-5?
There we go. Yo, he doesn't.
I'm barely even trying anymore.
Look how many people we have here, man. Yo, see, we got their squad, but whose man is this? Yo, Sada Lavar. Freaking love this guy's name.
Oh.
Yo, someone's here, look. He had no idea what's gonna happen to him. His health was 10!
Snow Pro. How did he white? No.
Yo, his health is 10 because of my repair tool, bro. Like, literally ripping through his whole skin.
He was 30 because of mine.
Yeah, okay. You can believe whatever you think, but I'm the real killer.
Sure.
Got him. You actually killed someone in the attack chopper? Yo, I literally killed the driver out of the attack chopper. I didn't destroy that. John boy, I love you so much. I like your freaking hat. Where do you get it from? The 99-cent store? Where are you? What? You ditched me, bro?
No, I've been in here, guy.
So what? No, you're lying. You freaking switched.
No, I'm serious.
Oh, someone's trying to say. The person in this elevator will
You were
perish
in
in
my
dynamite.
elevator.
Small
You were
looking.
in my elevator. You were in my elevator.
So
I don't know
what
where the hell
happened, you
were.
freaking liar?
You ditched
Oh,
me.
let's
You
play
ditched
tic-tac-toe.
me.
Let's play tic-tac-toe.
Okay, let's go.
Damn it. Technical. Alright. That's not a perfect straight line. Wait, hold up. I have to do something.
You go. Go. I'm Max. I'm bullets.
Okay.
I'm bullets. Okay.
Alright. Right here.
I won.
Where?
I won.
Where?
One.
Dude, that was not
Middle.
even the next. Yo, stop. Your freaking skills in tic-tac-toe is trash. This is a perfect straight line. Make a perfect X, dummy. There we go. I'll go first.
Here it is. What?
I mean, dude, where are you, bro? That's my circle. You're X.
I'm bullets, bro.
Alright. There we go.
Go.
I won.
No, I did.
Tic-tac-toe, 3 in a row. Freak guy. A freak guy. What, baby? What? A freaking. Marab tried to roll kill me. Marab tried to roll kill me. This dude tried to roll kill me until I saw my mini map. I'm yo.
Oh, where are you guys? Geez. Yo, you geezers.
Dude. The map there, yo, I swear this truck was so close to kill me. As soon as I saw my mini map, I saw he was not near me. That he's trying to roll. Ooh! No aiming.
Listen up. Spotted an enemy. West of your location.
I thought I saw an enemy here. Where's the enemy? Oh, well.
You can't find any enemies, bro. Where
No
are
way,
you?
no way.
You're wrecking them.
No lie.
What happened to you, bro?
Nothing. Me trying to wreck everyone my primary weapon.
You mean your virtual?
Okay, no one will
You mean
know.
your virtual?
Yes.
My kill, bro.
No! The guy's gonna leave me behind. See, I got you, Sheldon. I got you. See, see. Yeah, thanks, man. Primitive. All me from.
You're welcome. Come on.
Poor Sheldon. He lived through hell.
I can help you. North of that, it looks like we got some NT personnel.
Where did he go, bro? Is he still in our? He's not even in our. Here you go. Oh, what?
Hey,
You're
damn
welcome,
it.
bro. Saved your life.
No, I did not.
My aiming's soft right now. Yes, I did, bro. You gotta kill you, yo.
No, so I'm trying to. Yo, C's taken, bro.
There appears to be an enemy tank located south of your pause.
C's falling.
He's falling. Bam, I love you. That's sick.
It is actually falling.
Is it? Oh, yeah, it is. Why should I get killed? Aw. Someone seems
Now I'm
like
gonna follow
killed.
you.
Where did you go?
Following this dude, I try to spot it. Got him.
Oh, I got someone too, bro.
Yo. I told you that's my primary weapon. Killing more than my primary weapon.
Armor has been spotted.
Oh. Damn. Look at me rushing to C, bro. Look at me.
Oh yes.
Yo, and guys, he says I'm gay. Look at him right now.
Oh yes, you're so right. Psych! Oh shit, I'm falling.
Yo, guys, you see this guy?
Waiting for orders, over.
Look at this noob.
Objective Echo has been lost.
Oh wait, someone's coming. My repair tool will finish this.
Oh, no, no.
We have taken
Oh, shit, someone on me, man, bro.
Stop! Let me kill you! Oh my god! Someone did neon across the whole sea got me! Break this! Oh, damn it. Alright, guys. Oh,
Yo, you
this
see
is
me
the
over there,
this is
guys?
the end
You
of my
see-
video.
Yo, you
Hope
see
you
that
like
guy
it.
back there?
Subscribe to the
Check
Beast
out-
Max. Hope you. I will do something like Michael Myers and Battlefield 1 next time. Just tell me what you do want me to do with my friends in other games. Comment down below. I'll read those comments. See ya, guys. Peace.
Piss.